Do you compost anything at your house? I'm Darren Hefty with today's Ag Minute. Utilizing food and yard waste to feed your garden is a cool thing to do, saves on your garbage bill, and helps the environment in a small way. Composting on the farm has some pretty neat benefits too. For farmers and ranchers with livestock, one of the challenges is the animal manure just doesn't smell the best. It also weighs a lot and requires quite a bit of hauling to move the manure into fields where it can be utilized for plant food. Composting is a process where the manure is piled up and natural microbes heat the pile, decompose the carbon material into organic matter and plant-friendly nutrients, and greatly reduce the smell. This process also eliminates much of the water in the pile too, so there's less material to spread. Just a few reasons that farmers are composting on a big scale. With today's Ag Minute, I'm Darren Hefty.